your home fill you with stress instead of calm? Are cluttered surfaces and overflowing drawers making you feel overwhelmed? But what if I tell you that you could truly transform your space and your mindset in just one single week? Today, I am giving you my 7-day declutter challenge, simple steps for more organized, serene home you will absolutely love. Hey everyone, this is Sush. Welcome back to my channel. Day 1. Tackle your entryway and all living room surfaces. These are high traffic, high visibility areas that set the tone for your home. Entryway, focus on shoes, mail, keys and bags. Create a designated functional spot for everything. Add a small basket for incoming mail or hook for keys. Living room surfaces. Clear off coffee tables and bookshelves. Remove anything that doesn't truly belong or isn't decorative. Use trays to curl remote controls or magazines. This sets a very powerful positive tone for your challenge and gives you immediate visible win. Day 2. Conquer the kitchen countertops and that infamous junk drawers. These are often daily source of frustration. Countertops, clear off anything and everything that doesn't belong or isn't used daily. Put away appliances you rarely use. Designate a home for frequently used items. For the junk drawer, yeah, everyone knows about it and everyone has it in their home. Empty it completely. Sort through every single item. Keep only what's genuinely useful. Batteries, pens, tapes, spare keys. Use small dividers or containers to organize. Day 3. Clothing and accessories. Wardrobe refresh. Focus on clothing and accessories. This can be a big one, so dedicate focus time. The Does It Spark Joy method. Try on anything you are unsure about. If it doesn't fit, it's damaged, or you haven't worn it in a year, it's possibly time to let it go. Tackle one category at a time. Tops, bottoms, dresses, then accessories. Don't overwhelm yourself. Create distinct piles for keep, donate, sell, and trash. Less is often more when it comes to clothes, leading to a very functional wardrobe. Day 4. Tidy up your bathroom cabinets and drawers. These spaces often accumulate old, unused products. Expire? Check. So go through all the toiletries, makeup, and medicine. Toss out anything expired or rarely used. Consolidate or combine duplicate items, for example, half-full shampoos into one container. Organize, use clear bins, drawers, dividers, or small baskets to group similar items. Hair products, dental care, first aid supplies. Enjoy your calm, clutter-free bathroom oasis, a true sign of an organized space. Day 5. Tackle that persistent monster. Paper clutter. From mail to old documents, paper piles up incredibly fast. Process immediately. As mail comes in, deal with it immediately. Trash junk mail, file important documents, pay bills, respond to invitations. Go digital. Scan important documents like receipts, warranties, and save them to cloud storage. Shredder is your friend. Invest in a shredder for sensitive documents to protect your privacy. Filing system. Create a very simple, intuitive filing system for papers you must keep. Aim for paperless mindset as much as possible to reduce incoming clutter. Day 6. Digital declutter and photo organization. Don't forget your digital space. A cluttered computer or phone can be just as stressful as physical mess. This is a part of modern home organization. Desktop downloads. Clear your computer desktop and download folder. Create organized folders for files, emails. Unsubscribe from unnecessary newsletter. Delete all irrelevant emails and archive important ones. Go through old photos on your phone or computer. Delete duplicate, blurry shots and screenshots you no longer need. Backup important ones to cloud storage. A digital declutter reduces mental clutter and improves your overall efficiency. And finally, day 7. Address sentimental items and complete your mission. The donate drop-off. This is often the hardest category. You have got to do that. Be ruthless. You can't keep everything. Choose designated space for sentimental items. For example, one box, keep only the most meaningful pieces that truly bring you joy. If you love an item but don't want to store it, take a photo. Most importantly, get rid of donate and sell piles today. Take them to a donation center or schedule a pickup. Do not let them sit in your car or entryway. Celebrate your incredible progress. Congratulations. You have transformed your space. You have tackled clutter in your home in just 7 days. This isn't one item fix. It's the start of a very fantastic new habit. To maintain your organized space, try a quick 10-15 minutes tidy up daily. If you found this decluttering challenge motivating, then hit that like button and subscribe for more organization and home design tips, and hit that notification bell. You know, when your home is successfully organized, the next step is to decorate it. Before you start, I would definitely recommend you to watch my video 10 things you should never decorate with in 2025. It's packed with even more foundation design advice to help you avoid this common decorating blunder throughout your entire home. Tell me in the comments what areas of your home feel the most organized. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.